Hi, my name is Ankita and I am the owner of this 4-bedder condo. I welcome you all to my beautiful home. We chose Alvin from Blank Interior. His creative agility and well thought of planning is something that we were very impressed with. I always wanted a 6-seater dining table in the house, but the space in our living room does not allow us to have a 6-seater dining table. So Alvin straight away come up with an idea of having a settee. I actually got a 6-seater dining table without really allocating a lot of space. One of the concerns that we had is that we also needed storage. Alvin came up with this idea that the settee that he gave us with the dining table is all with the storage. You can see around the house there are storages on the top as well. We decided to have it mixed with contemporary as well as minimalistic. The reason being is the one where my kids are going to grow up. I want them to decorate this house as they want. Since they're in the growing age, they will have the interest changing, and with that we will also be changing the interior theme of the house as they grow up. That is why initially I wanted to keep it as contemporary along with minimalistic so that we have scope to decorate it in a way that we want. Kitchen is my top choice for its clever use of space and its ability to accommodate an abundance of kitchen items. Alvin came up with this idea of having an open dish rack which is attached to the ceiling, which can accommodate all our utensil spaces and all. He has layered the space to make good use of the height plus the depth. Look for an ID who will understand your requirement, what you want from your home, how you want your home to be designed. I'm very sure that Alvin from Blank Interior will be one of the person who will definitely understand your requirements. Thank you Alvin from Blank Interior, and thank you Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.